Are you wondering when the Home Office will reopen? Are you an asylum seeker in the UK? Are you planning to claim asylum in the UK? Are you worried that COVID-19 pandemic will affect your asylum claim? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. We strongly recommend you to watch the full video and support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates about UK visa and immigrations. You can also share our videos with your friends and family. Today our video is about latest changes to asylum policy and practices due to COVID-19 pandemic. In the past, the United Kingdom government was pressurized to safeguard people seeking asylum and refugees in danger due to the coronavirus disease. The Refugee Council was mainly worried for individuals who are not able to get lodging or funding, those on restricted support, and those in communal accommodation, who may not be able to self-isolate. In this video, we are summarizing the government's reaction to date, mentioning crucial temporary modifications to asylum policies and practices. Please note that the information mentioned in this video will be updated again once the COVID-19 pandemic is over. So let's begin with the temporary modifications from the Home Office. 1. Screening interviews cancelled. The United Kingdom Home Office have cancelled several screening interviews and are operating on a system for asylum claims to be registered, with no need of physically attending the asylum screening unit in Croydon. More details on the new system will be uploaded on our Facebook group, Visa and Immigrations Group, as soon as they are published on the official government resources. 2. Reporting to the Home Office, temporarily on hold. It is confirmed on the government website that the United Kingdom Home Office have updated the information about the temporary suspension of the mandatory reporting. To confirm the suspension of reporting, the Home Office are sending a text message to the individuals. If there's any issue, the individuals can contact the reporting centers via email, which the Home Office have also now provided. 3. All substantive asylum interviews on hold. All substantive asylum interviews are put on hold by the Home Office and are currently searching substitute methods to manage these in the future. 4. Asylum evictions paused for 3 months. Dislodgements from asylum accommodation is paused for the time being as on 27th of March 2020. The United Kingdom Home Office Minister, Chris Philp, dispatched a letter to the British Red Cross, publicising that for the next 3 months, individuals will not be asked to vacate their asylum accommodation. This applies to both individuals whose asylum cases are rejected and those who are permitted status. 5. Asylum decisions served via email. On 30th of March 2020, the United Kingdom Home Office notified Immigration Law Practitioners Association that they have put in position a method to permit asylum decisions to be provided by email. The United Kingdom Home Office have set up a route by which they will send an email to the legal representative to confirm the following: that the email address is right, that the case representative is okay to obtain emails, that the consultant to act is up to date, that there are no motives why providing the verdict by email would not be suitable. As soon as the above have been confirmed by the legal advisor, any conclusion on the case will be able to be provided via email. The United Kingdom Home Office will carry on this new system under evaluation. Additional facts and reports can be found on the Immigration Law Practitioners Association's website. 6. Asylum appeals and judicial reviews updates. Please note that there will be no face-to-face appeal hearings registered at the first-tier tribunal from 25th of March 2020. Up until 30th April, judges will handle case management review hearings via phone to make a decision if the case can be resolved on the papers. If a thorough hearing is necessary, this will be carried out via video. The upper tribunal have called off roughly all registered hearings, as well as judicial reviews. Additional facts and reports can be found on the Immigration Law Practitioners Association's website, link mentioned below. 7. Lodging a further submission to Further Submissions Unit. The United Kingdom Home Office have approved that they have deferred the obligations to appear at the Further Submissions Unit in Liverpool to lodge a further submission. Currently, it is now feasible to send further submissions via email or by post. 8. Updates on the Asylum Support Appeals. On the 1st of April 2020, the Asylum Support Appeals Project made available the following updates. Asylum support appeals will carry on at the tribunal and are presently being registered up until Friday 17th of April 2020, and afterwards all appeals for week commencing 6th of April 2020 will be examined on the papers, even though this is subject to brief notification modification, and several may be registered for an oral hearing at a future date. In order to get more information, please refer to Asylum Support Appeals Project via email, link mentioned in the comments section below. Asylum Support Appeals Project have also provided a thorough fact sheet on COVID-19 and asylum support, which is available in the link mentioned below. 9. Assisted voluntary returns put on hold. As authorized by the United Kingdom Home Office, the Assisted Voluntary Returns Service has been put on hold because of the functional and logistical encounters. They will keep on registering interest from individuals who desire to return back to their home country and to provide other forms of help to individuals desiring to return to their country of origin. 10. Home Office Travel Documents and Visa Application Process Limited. The United Kingdom Home Office have confirmed that they have reduced and restricted facility to process travel document applications due to COVID-19 pandemic. The Home Office has recommended that any individual who is in exceptionally difficult condition and wants their application to be judged as a matter of urgency should send a request, including scan latest, adequate proof of the conditions, and authorization that the client is able to travel, that is, approval from the airline to travel document inquiries at homeoffice.gov.uk. If the United Kingdom Home Office reaches a decision that the case meets the standards for being accelerated and an application has not yet been submitted online, then the applicant will need to submit an online application. If an application has been previously submitted, then the applicant should not apply again, as this will probably create misperception and may delay their application. The United Kingdom Home Office requested that this should be done only in the greatest critical of cases, as there are a reduced amount of officers accessible to screen the inbox and to process cases. Furthermore, please be mindful that many other countries are closing their airports and borders on a daily basis, and due to this there will be an impact on individuals' ability to travel. In conclusion, the United Kingdom Home Office are operating with delivery associates, DX, to comprehend and reduce the impact of COVID-19 on their amenities. Please keep in mind that credentials may take longer than usual to be provided. 11. Scan documents acceptable for right to work and right to rent checks. Right to work and right to rent checks have been modified to make it stress-free for employers and landlords to carry them out throughout the coronavirus epidemic. From 30th of March 2020, the temporary modifications will mean the United Kingdom Home Office will not obligate employers and landlords to see original documents and will permit inspections to be commenced over video calls. These temporary modifications will mean that, during the coronavirus epidemic, potential tenants and workers are now able to present scanned documents instead of originals to demonstrate they have a right to work or right to rent. Our video ends here today. We have mentioned all the important links in the comments section below. Please feel free to contact us if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching today's video.